Have you ever wondered how the purchase process works after you buy a machine from EAM Mosca? Well, let's unpack that in today's episode of the Mosca Minute. From that first click on our website to your machine arriving on site, there's a lot going on behind the scenes to ensure that your order is processed, built to match your needs, installed, and cared for after installation. We have multiple procedures in place to ensure a successful process throughout your order journey. The first step starts with you. Your initial inquiry, whether over the phone, online, or in person at a trade show, first lands at the desk of our lead specialist. That inquiry is then reviewed and passed along to a sales rep who specializes in your particular needs. After that, it is in the hands of your designated sales rep, who then conducts a quick analysis to gather all the information needed to ensure that you get the right equipment for your specific application and operation. Gathering this information helps us determine if you need a more extensive, customized solution. If so, our product managers and engineers work together with you to ensure our solutions serve your needs and provide an optimized system. Once everyone's I's are dotted and T's are crossed, we send over a quote for you to review and discuss any additional options that you may want to consider. Once that is accepted, then we begin building your machine. The build drafts are finalized after any corrections or revisions and sent to machine assembly, where your machine is tested and verified to meet our quality and performance standards. Once all is said and done, we carefully pack your machine in a specifically made crate and send it to your location, where we then install it and make it ready for operation. Following installation, customers have the opportunity to receive a complimentary 2-day factory-level maintenance training to ensure long-term performance and reliability. But the journey doesn't end there. We also offer a wide range of post-installation services to ensure your product continues to run at full potential, minimizing unexpected and costly downtime. Programs and services including production of our own strap. EAM Mosca strapping is engineered to match our equipment, helping your lines run more smoothly, reduce jams, and maintain consistent bundle integrity for a lower total cost per load. Dedicated and certified technicians keep machines dialed in with proactive maintenance and rapid on-site support, minimizing unplanned downtime and protecting your production schedule. Complete technical support services, giving you direct access to specialists who can diagnose issues quickly so you get answers fast and keep your operations moving. Spare parts, OEM parts that ship quickly and fit right the first time, preserving performance specs verified during testing and extending the life of your equipment. And customer service, your point of contact for orders, schedulings, and follow-ups, so you always know who to call and what happens next. We're only a call or a click away. To learn more about EAM Mosca, visit our website and chat with a representative today. Also, before you go, make sure you subscribe to the EAM Mosca YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any new content from us. Thanks for watching. This has been the Mosca Minute.